everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel again. So today we are making banana buns. For that, of course, we start by mashing up bananas. To it we will add caster sugar and give this a good mix. Once that's done, we will then go ahead and in a separate bowl add our flour. Don't worry about the quantities, it's all mentioned in the description box for you as always, so you can read it there. Then to the flour we are adding a pinch of salt, and then we go ahead and add cumin seeds. Cumin seeds give the banana buns an absolutely amazing flavor, so it's lovely to do that. And then you make a well in the flour and add the yogurt. Once the yogurt is added, we will then go ahead and add the turmeric. This gives the banana buns a lovely yellow color and they look amazing as well. And then we go ahead and add our baking powder, and then we mix this all well. Once it's nicely mixed, to it we will add our banana and caster sugar mixture that we had earlier made. So you add that to it. And once this is done, all that's remaining is to knead it really well. So give it all a good mix and knead it really well. And then once it's well kneaded, you can add some oil as well to prevent it from sticking to the surface of the utensil in your hands. And then you keep it aside overnight. Cover it and just keep it aside overnight. And then the next morning we will take our dough, here it is, and you cut it into sections like this. You can see how fluffy it is, which is exactly what we want. Then you divide it into sections as per the number of buns you want to get. And then we will take each of these sections and roll it out into balls. Fun fact is, I used to call banana buns darling bread because that's what my dad always called them when he bought them for us. And there you go, you heat your oil really well and then add these rolled out banana buns and fry them. That's all that's remaining. And then you add the oil on the top like this to make sure that they fluff up. It doesn't take very long and the recipe is super simple and easy to make, especially if you've done all the prep the previous night. Then all that's left to do in the morning is to fry them and you can enjoy them with a lovely cup of tea. Look at the color, just amazing. And they fluffed up. These turned out super delicious, yum and fluffy. I highly recommend trying this recipe. Let me know how you got on with it, and don't forget to share my videos with your friends and family. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed, and thank you so much for taking the time to watch my video till the end. I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.